Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. My name is Henry B. 723 and I'm glad that you had an opportunity to stop and see what's going on here at Gardening for Better Health. Well, this is part 3 of my series on how to grow mushrooms from a kit. This has been a very interesting journey because it's something that I've never done before, and I like mushrooms and I wanted to see what it's like to grow them from start to finish. And I encourage you, if you have never grown mushrooms before, to try it. It's been a very fun, lively journey and a very quick journey. I first planted these mushrooms 6 days ago. And when I say plant, I mean I got them started because they came in a kit. If you get a chance, go back to see part 1 where I got started with it and get everything set up so that they would start growing. Part 2 shows the progress that they made into that point. And this is the last video in the series, part 3, and I want to show you how they turned out. This is the results of the mushrooms that began just 7 days ago. Look at how huge these mushrooms are in just 7 days' time. That is enough to last my family for quite a while. And once I harvest these, they can stay in the refrigerator for about 7 days until we use them up. They're fresh that long. So this is a very, very quick and easy way to grow your own mushrooms at home. I'm going to harvest these today because they're ready. And to do that, I just need to actually cut these off. It's very thick. It's got a very nice texture to it. So I'm going to just cut it from here down. Wow, and that's heavy. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to place this in this bowl. And turn this over and get these on the other side. There. Absolutely beautiful. This is what we're left with. And with these kits, after you do the initial harvest, you can keep this going. They're good for 2 to 3 flushes. So as long as I keep this moist, spritz it twice a day, I'll get another flush just like this in another 7 days. And then I can repeat that process one more time before I need to get another kit. So it's quick, it's easy, it's something that won't take any time. So if you ever thought about growing your own mushrooms, pick a variety that you like, try a mushroom kit, and see how it works for you. With these, I'm going to put this bowl in my refrigerator. It's not recommended that you put them in plastic bags, and it's also not recommended that you wash them because they will absorb the water if they get wet. In order to clean them off, you need to get a little brush and brush them if they were dirty. These were raised indoors. They've never been outside in the dirt, so they don't have any dirt on them. I don't have to worry about that. But before I actually eat them, I will clean them off before they're used. So this has been an easy process. If you would like your own mushrooms, think about it, choose your variety, and go for it. This is Henry B. 723. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.